Hello. Today I'm making faux spring branches. So this is just streamer paper. I actually dyed it, which I'll do a separate tutorial on. It didn't really come out the way I had hoped it would, but I'm using the streamer anyway. But I would say if you're going to try this, just get the color streamer you want and don't try and dye it, because it was a lot of trouble and wasn't that pleased with the results. But I'm going to use them anyway. So these are just little pieces of streamer balled up and twisted and then glued to a branch. So let's get started. This part's a little bit tedious. What I do is I take about a 12-inch length of streamer and I do a little fan fold, tiny little fan fold here, and then I start to wrap the fan fold around. You really can just crunch it up as you go. You sort of scrunch it is the best way I can use to describe it. Scrunch it into a little bunch, but as you do, twist it around so that the other side is starting to look like a little flower bud. There we go, like that. And then you give it a good twist. Twist it really tight. And then I'm going to cut a little piece off. Actually, I'm going to I was using a wire cutter, but my hand got tired, so I'm using this. I mean, I was using a scissors, but now I'm just using the wire cutter. And then you just sort of spread that out and you're ready to go. Now you got to make like 50 of them, so keep going. When you're done making your buds, just take a little bit of glue from your hot glue gun and just dab it on the end just to hold it together. All right, now we're going to get I'm going to put a few more on this branch. So I'm going to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for natural places where there may have been buds. So anywhere we've got these little nodules on the branch is where, and I like to put the buds in different directions. I don't want them all going the same way, but on the other hand, I do want them sort of facing the natural way they would if the branch is horizontal like this. These buds would all be facing somewhat up. Very few of them would be facing down. So that's what I'll try and do. It looks better if you do it like in different directions. Do this one. Roll it over. These cool off, you can kind of fan them out a little bit, fluff them out a little bit. Just wait till they cool off. All right, so actually I think that looks okay. I don't think I'm going to add. Let's just see. I need to add one. No, I think I'm going to leave it the way it is. So then you just kind of fluff them out a little bit, scrunch them a little bit, but really I think they look great. So this is my next branch. I have a lot of places. So I like to kind of estimate how many I'll need. This one's broken, so I'm going to just take that off. think I might need as many as 15 for this one, so start making them. All right, so there's our branch. I think it looks pretty good.